Imagine the complex decisions faced during armed conflict, where every action has significant consequences. How do those involved in military operations determine what can legitimately be attacked, ensuring the protection of civilians and civilian objects? A target offers definite military advantage when its destruction, capture, or neutralization provides a concrete and direct military gain for the attacking party. This crucial concept is a cornerstone of International Humanitarian Law, or IHL, ensuring that attacks are strictly limited to military objectives. This principle is fundamental to the law of armed conflict, as it dictates that only objects which, by their nature, location, purpose, or use, contribute effectively to military action and whose total or partial destruction, capture, or neutralization offers a definite military advantage, may be attacked. The advantage must be tangible and immediate, not merely a hypothetical or future benefit. This requirement helps to uphold the principle of distinction, which separates combatants from civilians and military objectives from civilian objects. Assessing definite military advantage requires careful consideration of several factors. Military personnel must evaluate whether the target's nature, like a military headquarters, or its location, such as a strategically vital bridge, makes it essential for enemy operations. They also consider its current purpose or use, for instance, if a civilian building has been converted to store ammunition or house enemy combatants. This evaluation is dynamic and depends heavily on the circumstances ruling at the time of the attack, meaning what might be a legitimate target one day may not be the next. The concept of definite military advantage acts as a critical safeguard against indiscriminate attacks. It is not enough for an object to simply be beneficial to the adversary. It must directly contribute to their military capacity or operations. For example, while a nation's economy indirectly supports its military, a civilian power plant is not automatically a legitimate target unless it is directly feeding a military operation with electricity, and its destruction offers a concrete and direct military gain. The legal standard demands a clear, demonstrable link between attacking the target and achieving a direct military objective, rather than a broad, systemic impact. Understanding when a target offers definite military advantage is vital because it underpins the legality of any attack in armed conflict. This principle guides military planning and execution, ensuring that operations remains within the bounds of international humanitarian law. By focusing on concrete and direct military gain, it helps to minimize harm to civilians and civilian objects, upholding the core protective aims of the law.